So hey, I'm trying this pizza combo. So they give me a lunch combo in which we have one cola bottle and we have oregano and chili flakes and some tissue, and I ordered 50 rupees pizza. See, this is 50 rupees pizza. Okay, I'm opening this. This is very hot. And see, wow! This is 50 rupees pizza. Oh my god. And whoa, whoa, whoa. It's falling. Okay, I'm just going to open this one. This is Lunch Mania. Wow. We have one more pizza and some chicken. And we have this one. What is this? I don't know actually. And we have this. Oh my god, this is so hot. Okay, this is cheesy sauce. Okay, let's try it. This is very hot, so I'm trying this with chicken. Oh my god. Actually, this is veg maybe. Okay, this is good. I'm opening this bottle. Nice. So let's open this oregano and just add to this. And chili flakes. And add. See, I'm adding this. Okay. So I'm just trying this. Okay, this is 50 rupees pizza. I'm trying this 50 rupees pizza, and this time it came very nicely. Okay. This is good, and this has so much cheese because in 50 rupees we have good amount of pizza. Okay, I will try this one also. Again adding chili flakes. And the oregano. Okay. So it has chicken pieces. See. This is very tasty. This combo with this drink is worth 149 rupees, and this is so good. So let's eat. This is very tasty. And we have this. Oh my god. This is chocolate. See, I will eat it at last. Because this pizza is very good. Nice. This is very tasty.